All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part one. How often do you use hands-free or headphones?
Well, I usually use headphones at night because I don't want to disturb my family members. So I put headphones in my ears.
Yeah, I wear
Yes,
headphones.
I wear headphones in my ears to not to disturb them.
Okay, so to answer your
To
question,
answer
I
you
usually use headphones at
at
night.
night.
Good.
Yes.
Just try to speak more confidently, more fluently, and you are quite thoughtful at the moment. So practice is going to make you perfect here.
Okay.
Let's go on. What type of headphones do you use? Now you can talk about type of headphones and all that. Yeah.
Okay. I usually like to have a headphones of bass, which have a high quality,
Which has
which has a high quality actually. To answer your question, I like HD headphones, which is quite expensive
yeah,
also.
which are quite expensive. Headphones are plural.
Okay.
Like there are two pieces.
Yeah.
Scissors, they are plural.
Yeah.
So like that. So just focus fluency and try to speak confidently and all that. Now let's go on. When do you like to use headphones? You already answered that. Let me
Yes.
change the question.
Okay.
In what conditions you will not use headphones?
When everybody is doing their work to and nobody is disturbing.
And you don't want to disturb anybody.
Yes, and I don't want to disturb anybody, so I can do.
Well,
So I don't use headphones at all. I
okay,
go with the
listen. You
voices.
can just link it whenever you are at any public place. It's a good idea not to use headphones
Okay.
because people are coming right behind around you. Secondly, when you are walking on the road or on the sidewalk, footpath, and there is the traffic that is likely to come. So
Also, I would say that when I was in my workplace,
when
uh,
I am at my workplace,
okay, when I am at my workplace, it is unethical to use headphone.
headphones, exactly.
Yes.
So do one thing, signpost your answer.
Okay.
The question is in what conditions you will not use headphones. First of all, whenever I'm walking down the street, I would never use my headphones because if there is any traffic, someone is honking a horn at me and I don't know, it may lead to any fatal accident. Secondly, when I'm at my workplace, it's quite unethical if I use headphones there, and I know my boss will not allow me. And finally, something like that. Okay, signposting is gonna
Yes.
help you further, right? So your language is good. You need to link your answer with the question and focus your fluency, right? Thank you.
Thank you.